Are you trying to find a tattoo machine that's reliable, quiet, and easy to use for your next session? Don't worry, we've got you covered with a quick, expert rundown of the best options. From beginners to pros, these picks balance performance and value. Today, I'm going to be going over the best tattoo machines that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Dragonhawk L3. From the moment you grip it, the L3 presents a compact profile that minimizes fatigue during long sessions and supports precision. Its lightweight 125-gram build pairs a CNC-finished grip with a balanced weight distribution, reducing wrist strain and increasing line consistency. When pitting the Dragonhawk L3 against the Cheyenne Hawk pen, the L3 delivers a more forgiving learning curve and lower upfront cost. The pros include affordability, lightweight ergonomics, and consistent performance that helps beginners build confidence while exploring basic line work and shading. The cons include potential heat buildup during extended sessions and slightly reduced precision under high speed compared to top-tier machines. From a distance, the Dragonhawk L3 presents a clean, modern silhouette with a durable housing that resists minor scratches and scuffs. Its compact dimensions measure roughly the palm-friendly length and a balanced center of gravity that aids consistent line control. The textured grip reduces slip, while the overall form favors stability during long sessions, minimizing fatigue and improving beginner confidence. During practical tattooing tests, the L3 delivered smooth operation with minimal vibration, maintaining consistent needle travel through assorted skin textures. The motor responds predictably to standard practice settings, allowing the user to focus on line quality and shading without surprises. Durability during extended sessions proved adequate for a budget-friendly model, surviving typical studio wear without loosening components or inconsistent performance. In terms of value, the Dragonhawk L3 halves the cost of premium setups while delivering comparable beginner-friendly performance for new artists. Its cartridge compatibility enables experimenting with multiple needle configurations, expanding versatility for line work, shading, and practice across different skin types. Final verdict: beginners will value the Dragonhawk L3 as an entry point, while seasoned artists may use it for practice and color tests. At number 4, we have the Wormhole Tattoo WTK070. From the moment you unbox, the Wormhole Tattoo WTK070 exudes confidence with a balanced grip and whisper-quiet motor, signaling professional-grade readiness. This model seems tailored towards seasoned professionals who value long sessions, ink precision, and an ergonomic 1.4-inch grip for comfort. Hobbyists might find its feature set overwhelming, but studios aiming for reliability will appreciate the design intent and sterilization compatibility. The build quality pairs a machined aluminum body with a reinforced rear housing to resist heat during extended sessions. Its weight supports a natural balance, with an almost glove-like feel that reduces fatigue during multi-hour tattooing sessions. Dimensions are roughly comparable to standard rotary machines, ensuring compatibility with most clamps, cords, and detachable cartridge systems. The Wormhole Tattoo WTK070 uses a precision rotary mechanism with adjustable needle depth, enabling controlled layering and minimal trauma for artists. A variable winding torque profile allows rapid response to subtle pressure changes, improving shading and line consistency across sessions. Smart Drive Tech detects skin resistance and modulates power to reduce vibration, preserving machine longevity and operator comfort during extended sessions. Interchangeable cartridge interface supports standard 3.5mm tips, improving compatibility with a wide range of needle configurations worldwide. The device ships with a durable silicone grip sleeve and a sealant advertised for sweat and moisture resistance. Energy efficiency and heat management ensure cooler operation during marathon sessions and reduce maintenance cycles, especially in humid studio environments. Compared to the rival Pixelstroke X1, the Wormhole Tattoo WTK070 delivers quieter operation and more consistent ink flow across long sessions. The pros include excellent build quality, quiet operation, and wide tip compatibility. The cons include higher price and moderate weight. At number 3, we have the Wormhole WTK283. From the moment unboxed, the WTK283 projects a professional presence, signaling that it targets seasoned tattoo artists seeking reliability and consistency. Its ergonomic grip reduces fatigue during long sessions, providing a secure, natural hand position that improves precision alongside steady line work. The feature set appears purpose-built for professional studios with a focus on durability, balance, and minimal maintenance in demanding environments. In hand, the chassis feels solid with a machined profile that reduces snagging on fabrics and enhances control during shading. Its footprint measures about 1x3, 2x1, 4 inches, a compact footprint that tucks neatly beside inks and cups, The brushed aluminum shell provides rigidity and heat resistance, while discrete venting channels mitigate overheating during extended sessions. Internal motor tolerances maintain consistent torque across speed ranges, preserving needle stability even when skin texture challenges demand higher precision. The configurable cartridge system accepts a wide range of grips, enabling rapid height adjustments and stable alignment for reliable pigment deposition. An integrated safety clutch guards the motor from overloads, reducing heat buildup and extending component life through intelligent current limiting. In practical testing, it maintained a steady RPM across typical voltages, minimizing velocity fluctuations that could distort line consistency. Studio feedback highlighted smooth ink flow, reduced vibration transfer to the hand, and reliable shading results across multiple skin tones. When compared with the rival Ink Pro 2200, the Wormhole WTK283 delivered steadier needle control and noticeably quieter operation. The pros include robust build quality, exceptionally comfortable ergonomics, reliable motor stability over long sessions, and remarkably consistent pigment delivery. The cons include a higher price tag and a slightly heavier feel compared with compact rivals, which may deter budget-minded studios. At number 2, we have the Mast Fold2 Pro. From a first glance, this device invites tattoo artists with a stealthy footprint and ergonomic grip that promises all-day comfort. It targets professional studios and serious hobbyists seeking a portable, foldable setup that accelerates workflow without sacrificing tattoo precision. Constructed with an all-metal chassis, the Fold2 Pro exudes durability while remaining surprisingly light, improving balance during long sessions. Its compact dimensions unfold into a full workstation, featuring a slim fold design that tucks into bags alongside essential tattoo supplies. The folding mechanism operates with smooth, tactile feedback and a reassuring latch that prevents accidental collapses mid-session. Equipped with a brushless motor and adjustable stroke, it delivers consistent performance across typical coil and cartridge settings. User interface allows micro-tuning via dial and onboard display, enabling rapid targeting of line weight and shading without tools. During testing, the Fold2 Pro maintains steady amperage with adjustable stroke length, delivering consistent needle response across cartridge types. In studio use, the built-in battery sustained up to 6 hours on standard settings, keeping you productive through longer sessions. Noise levels remain low compared to older models, which contributed to comfortable sessions without causing listeners to become overwhelmed by machine hum. The Fold2 Pro requires minimal daily maintenance, with replaceable seals and straightforward cleaning routines that speed up sanitization between clients. Compared to the Express Ink Fold 6, the Mast Fold2 Pro offers longer battery life and smoother stroke consistency, though at a higher price. The pros include exceptional build quality, extended battery life, and remarkably precise stroke control. The cons include higher price point and slightly heavier weight. At number 1, we have the Wormhole Tattoo Machine. From the moment you unbox, the Wormhole Tattoo Machine presents a premium brushed aluminum shell, balancing weight distribution and minimizing setup friction. Architects of large-scale skin art and seasoned artists seeking precision, comfort, and reliability will appreciate its design philosophy today. The construction uses a rugged chassis, precise tolerances, and a compact footprint that reduces hand fatigue during long sessions. Its dimensions are engineered to fit comfortably in the palm, with a low-profile grip that appears glossy yet resilient. The overall weight sits around the mid-range for professional machines, providing a balanced feel that remains stable through extended sessions. Under the hood, a brushless motor delivers consistent RPM control with adjustable voltage, supporting precise needle movement and less skin trauma. It features a quick-change needle bar system and a patented soft start function to reduce jerk during initial contact. A built-in hose compatibility option and cartridge ports simplify setup in studio environments and enable faster switchovers between clients. During tester sessions, the machine maintains steady performance across varied skin types, delivering uniform ink deposition with minimal vibration. In longer sessions, operators reported reduced hand fatigue and a comfortable grip that prevented cramping during back-to-back canvases. Color consistency remained stable even at high speed, with repeatable results that photographers and clients appreciated for shoot day reliability. Compared to the rival Blacktip Pro, the Wormhole Tattoo Machine offers quieter operation and easier needle swaps, but at a higher price. The pros include excellent build quality that lasts, ergonomic grip for fatigue-free sessions, and precise RPM control for consistent line work. The cons include high price and limited availability in some regions, which can complicate replacements and service scheduling for smaller studios.